Select the one word or phrase that needs to be used in place of the underlined text to make the sentence correct, or indicate that the underlined text is not in error. During the next conference, a good balance of diplomacy and old-fashioned hard work is needed. Before looking at our choices, let's see if we can find an error in the underlined phrase. Is the singular present form of the verb be. This means, of course, that in order for its usage to be correct, it needs to be used with a singular present subject. Let's take a look at what the subject of this sentence is. This sentence is a bit tricky. If it had simply said, during the next conference, diplomacy and old-fashioned hard work is needed, without a good balance of, we would say it's incorrect, as the subject, diplomacy and old-fashioned hard work, is plural. However, we need to take a closer look, as diplomacy and old-fashioned hard work isn't actually the subject of this sentence. Instead, the subject of the sentence is a good balance, or simply a balance, which we can see is singular. So although the structure of the sentence is set up to make it seem like are would be appropriate here, we can see that is the correct term. Taking a quick look at the remaining options to make sure we're not missing anything, we can see that neither was nor were could be appropriate, as the sentence says, during the next conference, indicating it's talking about a future conference, and was and were are both in the past. This being the case, we can go ahead and mark A, no error, as our final answer.